Question 8. Solve the following pairs of simultaneous equations. The pairs of simultaneous equations are this one and this one. So here you have different options of answers, and we need to choose the correct answer, then we circle it, right? So as a solution here, let us start by highlighting the equations. Have a 0.6x minus 0.1y, which is equal to minus 1, and we have 0.4x, which is negative. No, this is not 0, but it is negative 4, minus 0.5y, which is equal to. Then those are two equations which are making the pairs of simultaneous equations we need to solve for x and y. So see that we have decimal number here, another decimal number here, another decimal number here, and there is only one number after decimal point. It means to remove this decimal point, we need to multiply by 10. This decimal point will move once. We have to multiply all two equations by 10. This is the first step. So here we have 0.6 times 10 will be 6x, minus 0.1 times 10 will be 1y here, which is equal to negative 1 times 10, which is equal to negative 10. Another equation here is negative 4x times 10, which is equal to 40x, which is negative here. Then minus 0.5 times 10, which is equal to 5y, then equal to 2 times 10, which is 20, right? Then this is pairs of simultaneous equations. We need now to solve this one. You see, we have different variables x and y, and they have different coefficients. We can use different methods to find the value of x. The way does not matter. I can choose to eliminate one of the variable here. If I choose to eliminate y, right? You see, this y is having 1 as its coefficient. This y here have 5. So I have to make the same coefficient by multiplying 5 here, and I have to multiply 1 here to make this 5 constant. Then those terms must have different signs. So to make them different, I have put negative here, so that this one and this one will have to give positive. Yes. Now if I do this 5 times 6 will be 30x minus 5y, which is equal to negative 10 times 5, which is negative 50. For the second equation, I have negative 1 times negative 40, which is 40x plus 5y, which is equal to negative 20. Then I add those two equations. I add them. When I add 30x plus 40x will be 70x. Negative 5y plus 5y will give plus 0y. This is the reason why sometimes we do like this one. We cancel those ones by using this bar Then we have 50, which is negative, plus negative 20, which is negative 70. Now I have 70x, which is equal to negative 70. My x will be equal to negative 70 divided by 70. Then my x is equal to negative 1. I get x now. So since I get x, I have to find y, right? I have to find y. Since x equal to negative 1, we have to replace it in, replace the value of x in the first equation. We take one of the equations we have. The first equation we have here, we have to consider this one. Right? We will not consider this with decimal, this one with decimal point. No. But we consider this one with natural numbers. Then this one will be 6x minus 1y, which is equal to minus 10, right? Now we have 6. In the place of x, we have negative 1 minus y, which is equal minus 10. Then this is negative 6 minus y, which is equal to minus 10. Then we have to find the value of this y by taking this negative 6 to the other side of the equal sign. Then you have negative y, which is equal to negative 10, then plus 6 negative y, which is equal to negative 4, and you have to divide by negative 1 to remove this negative. Now this one will be divided on both sides, so we have here y, which is equal to 4. When we write the solution in the form we are given, we see that the solution is, the first number here is x, and we have seen that x is negative 1. If x is negative 1, then it is negative 1 here, then y is 4. You see, this answer we get here is the same as the answer we have here on B. So the correct answer is B. So thank you for watching this video, and welcome back to Maxwell's TV for correcting next questions. Ciao, ciao.